Come. Come. Mm. Mm. Y'all, 5 minutes. That's all you need. Put on your head and go type of wig, okay? 5 minutes. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Reshine Hair. Like always, the links will be listed in my description box. How cute is this box though? If you are interested, the links and details will be listed in my description box. I'll also have it on the screen somewhere throughout this video. But y'all, a lot of companies is promoting this type of wig. So this is the pre-cut wig. So it's already, the lace is already pre-cut. This is a curly, I forget the texture. Everything will be listed somewhere. But so many companies are promoting this wig that I just noticed I have so many of these wigs. So we just gonna make it do what it do, baby. But if you're looking for this type of wig, you'll have options, if you get what I'm saying. And also reach out to me because I do sell my wigs. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. Now, the only thing about these pre-cut wigs, they come the lace comes pre-plucked, the hairline comes pre-plucked, which is very, very nice. But the knots never come bleached. I don't think that I've came across a pre-cut lace wig where the knots were bleached. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't believe so. So I usually prep my wigs. Sometimes I prep my wigs before I start filming just so it can be easy, especially if the knots need to be bleached. I have 3 of these wigs and I had to bleach the knots on all 3 of the wigs. I did have a difficult time trying to get like the front to bleach just because it's no lace there. With that being said, I didn't really get up on the hairline, so the knots are not bleached where the hairline is. The hairline is plucked so good that you won't even notice it. But I had to stop at a certain point because I felt like it was just difficult. So if you do run into this problem, I'm just telling you my experience. If you do want to go ahead and bleach the knots, it's kind of difficult bleaching it. I mean, it can be done, but I was just like, I ain't taking no chances because I don't want it to get on the front of the hairline. Ooh, that's embarrassing. So anyway, we just gonna hop straight into this video. Y'all know I love doing videos like this with everything already done because it just makes my life easier. I'm pretty sure if y'all purchase this wig, it's gonna make your life much easier. You don't have to worry about cutting off the lace. It's just a put on your head and go type of wig if you don't mind the knots not being bleached. But like I said, I went ahead and already bleached the knots. I do believe this is like a 4x4 if I'm not mistaken. And the cap construction looks as if, like, it looks like a closure wig. Like if I was to make a wig myself with a closure, that's what it's given. So here is construction. It doesn't come with any combs, none whatsoever. This is the back. Usually when I get the pre-cut lace wigs, the back has like a grippy part and it also comes with combs, I do believe. This one, no combs. So if you don't like combs, this is a good wig. Hopefully the fit will be glueless. It is supposed to be glueless. The only thing in this wig is the elastic, removable elastic band that is adjustable. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust that. Now because I went ahead and bleached the knots, this hair has already been washed. So this is the curl pattern. Really cute. So like I said, it already air dried. And I don't think that I'm going to have to do much to this wig. So these, if you don't, you know, like it, you can remove it. It is removable. But I adjusted mine all the way to the other side because my head is small. And we just going to put her on and see what she looks like. This actually fits very good. Like, really good. I just hate the fact that it's like not a comb in the back. Because I like to secure it with... No, it didn't. If this popped... Oh, I was about to say. I can't remember if this lace is HD. Yo, okay, so I'm having an issue where the elastic band keeps coming off, y'all. I don't like that, y'all. If this thing pop one more time, we fighting. Okay. It's looking a little light, so I'm gonna go in with my finishing powder just to darken up this lace. You see how it's a little bit light right here? So let's see. But as y'all saw, I'm having a really difficult time with the strap coming off. But this is laying good, so you definitely can wear this wig glueless. These are the curls, which are beautiful. Do y'all see these curls? And I love the fact that the lace where the hair is not that thick. I always talk about that, but all right, it is a bit light, as you can see. So I'm gonna go in and add my finishing powder and see what happens, and then come back. But look at the parting, very much real. Wow, this is really, really pretty and very lightweight. All right, so let me go add my finishing powder. I'll be right back. Y'all, so I went ahead and added my finishing powder, and look at this hairline. I did not pluck the hairline. It already came like this. And as you can see, it blends so good. Oh my gosh, look at this hair. Oh, I'm so excited. I need to part it in the middle, but it's like, this is giving vacation, okay? I'm gonna be on someone's beach eating lobster with this motherfucking dress. Girl, oh, it's giving. Wow. All I can say is wow. This, what length is this? I don't know. Wow, she is really pretty. What should I do, y'all? I don't want to, like, what do I do? I have so many of these wigs. It's just like, what do I do? Oh my gosh. Y'all. She is pretty. Like, real pretty. Hold on. I feel like I'm gonna do a middle part with this one just because I have so many of these freaking wigs, y'all. And I just did a video on a wig like this. I told you this was a put on your head and go type of wig. This is crazy. This is love. And voila, this is, do y'all see how easy this was? Oh my gosh. Like this. Let me, come here. You know, who is that person? Is he on TikTok or Instagram? I meant did I say TikTok? TikTok. You know that guy who'll be like, come here. Come here. That's what I need y'all to do. Come here. Y'all see that? This wig ain't going nowhere. The length and everything is just perfect for me. No, it's not hot. It's very lightweight, but at the same time, very much full. Oh my God. Like, the curls are undeniably beautiful. Like, they are so pretty. This is vacation hair for sure. Like, you don't even got to get in the water. Just wear this and it's going to look like you've been in the water swimming. I promise you. And even if you did want to swim in this hair, I'm pretty sure once it's like wet and everything, it's gonna look so gorgeous, like it's yours. Like, this legit looks like my hair. And because of the length, oh my god, I'm in love. Like, no baby hairs, no nothing. I just did a little bit of this. And here's the video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see y'all in my next video. No, I'm serious though. Like, wow. I really love her a lot. I don't think I'm gonna give this one away. Don't inquire about this one. I have 2 more, but then again, you can, because I legit have so many curly pre-cut wigs. It's ridiculous. I do probably need to just stick with one and give the rest away. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one, but this one is perfect. Possibly I might keep this one. They all look very much beautiful. It depends on which one fits my head the best. This one is fitting to a T. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the elastic band that's in here keeps coming unhooked. So I did 3 tries before it actually stayed. That I don't like. But besides that, like, oh, my neck just cracked. But besides that, she is beautiful. Let me turn around. Let me do a whole 360 on that ass. Ooh. Like, this is vacation dinner look. Vacation, oh my god, with the dress, and then just like have the curls carefree, like with a little tan going on. Oh my gosh, like this. Okay, I'm gonna stop, y'all. I promise y'all this is the end of my video, but that's how quick it is to just put this wig on and go.